Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about what I ordered and what I got. So let me tell you a backstory. I wanted to buy a sari for myself from the brand Koski because I've seen a lot of good collections from them and I wanted a right occasion for it. So Koski is a brand which sells ethnic and bridal collections. It has from affordable ranges to the premium luxury range as well. So I wanted to get one for myself, and because it's my friend's wedding the next month, I thought it's the right time to invest and get a luxury beautiful sari, good looking sari for myself. So let's quickly see what I ordered, also what I got from the brand Koski. Actually, they have many offers running, so they also have 25% off on their products. I wanted to get multiple collections, but because this is my first time getting it from them, I wanted to try out with the one sari for the first time because I wanted to see how it is, and then I wanted to place a sari for my mom as well. So let's see how the sari looks like. I'm so excited to review them. So if you see the branding, this looks so good and so premium. Koski wear and occasion. So as I told you, right, it has collections from bridal to ethnic and everything. So if you're looking for some bridal collections or if you're looking for some ethnic wear, definitely check their website because they have variety of collections, and I'll tell you, this looked so good in the pictures. Really curious how the product and the quality is because as I mentioned, it has from luxury to affordable. So I'm a little bit curious to know how the quality is. Okay, so this is the box. The box is so sturdy, so it tells how quality and how premium the brand maintains. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. Okay, so this also has a thank you note. So a thank you note for your purchase. Thank you for your purchase. And they have their Instagram and Facebook ID mentioned, which is great. Let me just also see the Instagram because on the website it's very easy to place an order and the collections are neatly displayed. The website looks so promising and the pictures are so great. So that's what made me buy. And let's just quickly see how it is. Okay, so the sari comes in this cute Ziploc bag, which is so great. Let me tell you, this helps me to keep it organized and it's so great. This is nice. This is really nice. Let me see. Okay. Oh, yes. This is like much better than my expectations because the price that I gave and for the color, the combination, the handwork, the design, the detailing looks so great, let me tell you. And when I feel the sari, the texture of the sari is so soft and so comfortable. This is what exactly I wanted because I do not wanted a sari to make me feel uncomfortable, but at the same time I wanted it to look great on me. So I think this is the best option that I really got it. The material looks so good and so premium, and when I try to wear it also, it doesn't make me feel heavy, but at the same time it gives that premium luxury look, I would say. And if you see here, the detailing of the sari is so good. This is very light on me, and at the same time it feels so premium and so luxury. And the detailing, let me tell you about the detailing. If you see, for the price that I paid and the amount of work that is put in is really great. So they have a lot of stone work going on the entire sari. Okay, so let me just quickly wear the sari and show you guys how it looks on me. As you guys can see, I have tried on the sari and this looks so good on me, and I don't feel it heavy. It looks very luxury and it feels very soft, and I feel that my skin can breathe. So that's what I wanted because I wanted some sari which looks very good, very elegant, and which is also comfortable to me, and it should not make me feel heavy. And this looked so good on me. I never expected that this color would turn out so good. And let me tell you, the picture that is put in the website is similar to what I've actually ordered. So in terms of my shopping experience, I would rate it as 5. And it's very good. Look at the combination of the color. This is somewhat an olive green, I mean light green with white border. White border and this combination is like so great. I never had any sari of this combination, so I wanted to try, and this looks good on me. That's what I feel. I feel that it complements my face and it looks more good, and I can see myself wearing this in many occasions, I would say. You see here, the embroidery work is so great. Sari is actually from a designer, so you will definitely get a lot of compliments.
Zoom ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಒಂಚೂರು?
Look at this. So they have this cute embroidery work running and all over the sari, and there are little stone works which is looking great. So as I told you, this white embroidery looks very good. The combination of white with green is so classy. By seeing at the sari, I feel that they've given so much attention to minute details. Overall, I think it's a best purchase. If you come to the pricing part, this sari is just rupees. Yes. Also, their price ranges from affordable collections to the luxury premium one. There is no compromise in quality. So if you're looking for some bridal collections or any ethnic collections, you must check their website, because they have this offers running up to, you also get up to 25% off, and you also get buy two get one free, which is so great. So when I started adding the things into the cart, I actually ordered two saris, and for free I got this suit. But because I was purchasing it for the first time, I wanted to order one sari and see, so which was very great. So I think I missed the chance. So I'll definitely go back and place another order. Buy two get one sale will be sorted, and you will be set for, and you don't have to invest much, because anyways they have buy two get one. They have suits, lehengas, saris. So you must definitely check. When I placed the order, I received this within 5 days, so which is really cool, because I wanted it to come fast so that I could see. If I really didn't like it, then I thought I could return. They also have a return policy, so if you didn't like the sari or anything, you can return it to them within 7 days, which is really cool, because I was a bit confused. So anyways, if you don't like the product, you can anyways put it on a return. The process is entirely smooth and very simple. So yeah, I think overall the quality is good. So it, as you're promising, it is exactly the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video helped you in understanding the quality and the sari of Koski. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.